Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Wednesday. It's cast iron cooking. I'm not going to be doing a fish challenge this week. I'm going to be doing something I've never had before, and that is the San Antonio bean burger. Let's dive right in. Alrighty, so what have we got here? We've got my pan going. I've got some bacon grease. I get a bunch of people gave me a hard time about not saving my bacon grease, so I saved my bacon grease. Hopefully that won't be too much. I just saved it in an old salsa jar. I just ran it to the dishwasher, cleaned it out. We need our beans. These are just fat-free, traditional refried beans. While those warm up, I'll be right back. Alright, so my beans are warming up nicely. I'm using a spatula to not scratch my pan. I'm just warming them up because they're already refried. Gonna mix in here with the bacon grease. I just watched a video on how to make this. You're supposed to use your homemade beans, but I'm lazy, so I just used a can. Plus it was only $1. Although, if I'd made my own, I could have made a lot less. Those are warming up nicely with bacon grease inside. I'll turn the heat down because I want them to be warm, but not too hot. Warming up my cast iron skillet. I'd say probably my one and only cast iron skillet. I'm gonna make it 2 burgers. So immediately throw them in the pan. And toast the bun while it warms up. So we're gonna be multitasking. Now a couple changes I have to make to this. One, it called for cheese whiz. So the original recipe actually has a cheese whiz on top, and the store was sold out. So I'm going to use cheddar cheese, adapt and overcome. Use what I've got, and also it comes with raw onion. But I don't like onion, but you can certainly sprinkle some on top if you wish. You can do anything you wish to. Sorry, just stirring my beans. Oh, I should have bought some tortilla chips. Fail. Alright, so my buns are toasted. And let's see. I'll bring you over to the meat. This is just 90-20 ground beef. We're going to do 2 patties. Roll them in the balls. And a little salt. Spatula and smash them down. Alright, I really hope I was recording that. That would be awkward if I didn't. If I wasn't, I got my buns toasted. The beans should be nice and warm. Turn down the heat on those to low, so and then I just balled up the meat and put it in There we go. A little bit of salt. Now let's while those cook, we'll get the bun ready. Now this is the weirdest part. This burger actually comes with Fritos. Fritos go on the bottom. I'm okay with that. Give those patties a flip. Man, I tell you what, those smell, all it is salt, but it really smells good. You know, it smells awesome. Alright. Continuing with the bun, I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to smear some of this bean on here. I'm going to get off the heat. Still waiting for the... Oh, and for the onion crowd, what I'm going to do, the reason I'm making two is I'm going to put some of these crispy onions on top. Because that will satisfy the onion people. It should be about done, I would think. We're getting close. Alright, let's go ahead and add the, like I said, I don't have cheese whiz, but I'm going to add cheddar cheese, the same cheddar I grated up for my breakfast this morning. Put that on there. I'm going to make a little variation on it. Alright. Go ahead and kill the heat. Now these go right on top of the chips. Just like that. I got the bean topped one. And then I have this other one here with the onion pieces. And there you go. My version of the San Antonio burger. Alright, let's go ahead and try these. This one has... I'll try the one without the onions first. That's really good. Really good. Wow. Alright, let's try the one with the crispy onions on it. Wow. I don't really get a ton of the bean, but it's still a damn good burger. already empty plate. I will say this. Sounded weird, odd combo. You probably thought, well, hell, Mark's lost the plot. No, that was a good burger. I enjoyed both of them very much. I will give a bean tip too. When you cool your beans down, cool them down as thin as you possibly can in the refrigerator. I'm actually going to cool them on a plate because you don't want bacteria breeding in the hot spots. So I'll show you here in a moment because I just used the same plate. I used to be a cook, so I was talking to someone from the health department, and they told me, yeah, we actually have them cool all their beans down on a sheet pan so that they're not harboring bacteria of it. And there you go, nice and flat. Cool down super fast. Don't get sick. A little food tip for you. And as always, I thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.